Okay, we have the Ridgid 535 series manual chuck machine. It's been banged up a little bit during shipping. As you can see, a couple scuff marks. And some cracks on the top here. Looks like that was cracked in. Does not appear to affect its operation. Still pretty clean. Does appear to have had limited use. See a little bit of metal shavings. Doesn't really show much sign of wear, but it appears it was used briefly. Probably used it for what they needed it for and sent it back since it was scuffed up during shipping. To run smooth. A little bit of rust. Let's see. Slid out. So it does need a little TLC. Pretty clean. Little scuff mark down here. See, it fell through the pallet.